we have already hinted about the importance of culture in use of emojis. This module will further throw light on this. Some emojis are safe. Safe means that they are not offensive. Nobody would mind their use, and can be used across gender. They can be used with men and women alike. दोनों के साथ. They are usually static, and they are not moving. You have seen some emojis like GIFs. They are moving. So if they are static, then they are safe. If you send someone a heart that is beating, so that would be dangerous. That won't be safe. Some are used with care. Which are they? Now you will know their use in different cultures. In Eastern cultures, of which we are a part, red heart, face with heart eyes, and red lady shoes, pink and red lips, only lips, and red rose may be misinterpreted by opposite sex member. This is to be taken care of. However, these emojis are safe when both communicants are females. So this is fine with them. But if they are from opposite sex, so there may be misunderstanding between the communicants. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, this is very common. Hands and 100 with a line below it when you agree with some person. So they are common among males. So see, some emojis are gender specific. And a thumbs up they have different meanings in different cultures. Thumbs up are often sign of approval, but not in Greece and Middle East. Smiley with tears, smiley face. Smiley with tears, it's very common, you know this. And a smiley with wide or light smile. Wide smile and light smile both have different meanings, different connotations, messages. And hearts with pink. White are of any color but not red. And olive branch or olive tree, they are safe. You can use them with people of any culture or gender. Apple has 20 heart-shaped emojis on its keyboard. Choice depends on degree of relationship. How formal, informal, casual your relation is. Blue heart is very common among people of all sexes. It means it is safe. And of all ages, to mean feelings of affection and kindness and nothing more. In European countries like France, hearts can be sent to persons of any sex, because this is part of their routine communication. For them, this is very common and means romantic relations only when the communicants openly have expressed that they are in love with each other. Otherwise, no such hidden meaning, implicit meaning would be taken by the receiver. In Arab world, Lebanese are more liberal than Jordanians and Palestinians. Palestinians and Jordanians, so they are very culturally sensitive in use of emojis, and Lebanese are liberal. In all cultures, which we have discussed very briefly, red hearts and red roses, they are never sent to teachers and your seniors your employers, bosses, etc. In UAE, middle finger emoji, you know this, is forbidden. And in Saudi Arabia, red heart is a sign of sexual harassment. In Japan, pressed palms like this, they refer to prayer or thankfulness, gratitude. And in India, it is sign of namaste, greeting. And in China, it is symbol of sex. In Indonesia, all gay-themed emojis, which can have some meaning for gay people, so they are blocked. They are not allowed in Indonesian communicators. Emojis of human body parts, they have also been kind. We may call them a kind of euphemistic use of language. So instead of saying something directly about human body, we use instead emojis for that. Some hand finger emojis are part of both face-to-face and online communication. Such emojis are, they suit as a secret language for careers. Careers, strange, not normal people. We have discussed careers. They are those people who are transgender. Okay. So the language which they use, they also use emojis, and emojis, they don't have fixed meaning. Their meaning is not fixed. So this is good for careers because they don't want to openly express their identity. So they use a secret kind of language. So this is good for that purpose. Their meanings are known only to the users in group. People know there. Careers use different language in their own group and different language in public. So it serves well their purpose of communication. They often use figurative language. They often use metaphors and metonymy and slangs. Metonymy means you give name to some person according to the name of the thing that is associated with that person. This is very common. For example, if a person drives taxi, you say taxi, and if a person drives tanga, you say tanga. So this is called metonymy. If a person is king, so you call it crown, because crown is associated with king. So this is metonymy. And both metonymy and metaphor, they are figurative language, and this is common among careers. And emojis are like figurative language. We conclude that emojis are part of international online communication, number one. But the weak side is that there is no standard meaning of these symbols and pictures. This vagueness of emojis is good for careers. And our youth, I mean my students, they must be careful when they use these emojis because their messages are culturally sensitive.